guys, so today I'm going to review for you this bladeless neck fan. I got it in the color black and red. Or is that orange? It looks orange. Let's go with orange, whatever. This is very convenient little nifty gadget. It's just like a personal fan. You can see there's vents here along the sides, and there's vents here. On me, these vents hit underneath my face, neck area, and these vents hit my chest area. It hangs pretty low, so if you're a smaller person, or you might want to be cognizant of that. It's not going to hit directly all in your face and on your neck per se, but it's convenient for me. It's just a fan. It's not a personal air conditioner. It's not going to circulate cool air unless you're in a cool spot. If you're outside and hot, humid, it's going to circulate humid air, unfortunately. I'm sorry. But it's kind of nifty for people who get hot flashes, and you're inside and you realize, hey, I'm not supposed to be hot, but I am. Here you go. A fan for you. So here's the button. It has 3 different stages. Stage 1 is pretty quiet. That's stage 2 and 3. Now, the only inconvenient thing I can really say is that you have a fan like blowing right underneath your ears. So yeah, that could be a little annoying, but it's better than being hot. Okay, bye.